Looking to elevate your cooking game? Meet the Instant Vortex Plus 6QT Clear Cook Air Fryer, the 6-in-1 kitchen appliance designed to make your meals easier, faster, and healthier. Stick around to see why this air fryer could be the ultimate addition to your kitchen. Let's dive into what makes the Instant Vortex Plus stand out. 6-in-1. Functionality. Whether you want to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate, this air fryer does it all. Clear Cook Window. Watch your food cook in real time through the crystal clear window with internal lighting. No more guessing or opening the basket. Even Crisp technology. Enjoy perfectly golden crispy results every time with advanced airflow technology. From crispy fries to tender roasted chicken, the Vortex Plus delivers restaurant quality meals at home. The intuitive one-touch smart programs make cooking a breeze. Customize settings for wings, roasted veggies, or even cookies. The easy-to-view progress bar lets you know exactly when to turn or shake your food. And did we mention fast preheating? Go from frozen to golden in just minutes. No waiting around. Here's what users are saying about the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Client says, it's energy efficient, easy to clean, and perfect for healthy meals. Tambra adds, I haven't used my oven since I bought it. This air fryer is a game changer. And Elizabeth shares, the 6QT size is perfect for families, and the results are amazing every time. With over thousands of satisfied customers, it's clear why this air fryer is a favorite. Let's break it down. Pros: large 6-quart capacity, ideal for families. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to upgrade my kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.